everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was requested to do a video like on a skincare routine. I thought why not, because the routine that I do is very affordable and anyone can find them in like a drugstore, eBay, and it's cheap and affordable and there's not that many products I use. So I'm just gonna tell you a couple things about my skin. So I feel like now that I'm a little bit older, that's when I get a little bit more spots. They're not even like spots, they're just like little pimples, or you know, like if you haven't like been removing your makeup properly, that's when I would get like a little spot or so. If you wear makeup, you have to remove makeup properly. You have to really put in effort, because that's when you're gonna start seeing like your pores are blocking. You're gonna get blackheads, you're gonna get little pimples like out of a sudden. I don't do much, but that is something I find really important. Like even if I will go out or something, it doesn't matter what state I come back home, I will still remove my makeup, because I know even like the funny Alise, she knows it is very important. So I'm just gonna show you the products that I use really. So what I use to remove my makeup is this Garnier Skin Active Oil Infused Cleansing Water. So it has oil on the top. So before I use it, I shake it like this and I just like kind of mix this together, and I use these little makeup pad remove things. I don't like to use makeup wipes just because I feel like they don't last me as long as like a makeup cleansing water with little pads, which comes cheap as well. And I also feel like they're not as wet as just like this product. You can put as much as you want to on a little pad. I really like it when it's really wet, so then really removing my makeup off, whereas with makeup wipes, to me, they feel kind of dry. So after I remove my makeup, I'll wash my skin. That is one of the things I find really important as well. You have to wash your skin. Then I'll go in with like a toner, and this is something I bought a couple of days ago and I've been trying it out, but I like it so much so far already. Oh, it's by Neutrogena. I don't know how you say it, honestly, I'm foreign. Yeah, so the brand is called Neutrogena and it's called Visibly Clear Spot Proofing Purifying Toner. Works with your skin to help clear spots and defend against new breakouts. So I thought that's a really good toner, because I do get like little pimples now and then. Like they're nothing major, but I would love to get that completely 100% clear skin. I like it so far, and I noticed like even the places where I had like a pimple or two, straight away as soon as I start using it, the next day I could really tell like they're disappearing. Fingers crossed it's good and it helps. I find it very important as well to scrub my face, because it gets rid of the dead cells. I feel like scrubs help you to tighten up your pores and also control your oil levels. So I do like to use scrubs. You know, if you have like little blackheads on your nose or like your chin area or somewhere, then scrubs always help to like, you know, clean out those blackheads. Like, so I like to use this L'Oreal scrub. So it's called Pure Clay Glow Scrub. They have this collection where they have all different ones, and I had one of their masks before, which was like a clay grey mask, and that I really like that one as well, but now I've run out of it. But I do use this like every 3-4 days, and I'll just go over when I'm in a bath, I'll just scrub my face. It says cleanses, brightens and exfoliates, and it does brighten your skin. Like, it feels like it brings back that glow to your skin. One thing that I like to do as well when I wash my face, I read this article that says like it's important after you wash your skin, leave the water on your skin for a couple minutes, let it soak in a little bit, because it like hydrates your skin. So don't wipe it off straight away. I don't wipe my skin like this, like I literally like push it in my skin like that. So I am oily combination skin. Still very important that you moisturize your skin no matter your skin type, because I feel like a lot of people get confused. They think, oh, I have very oily skin, I don't need a moisturizer. But that's not true. You still need to moisturize your skin. Even by like moisturizing your skin, you can control your oil levels better as well. I'm a genius. Then, like the most important step I find, one of the most important steps, I always moisturize my skin. So at the moment I'm using this Garnier Skin Active Botanical Balm Soothing Moisturizer Cream, and it says 3-in-1 day-night mask. I always use like a moisturizer before I apply my foundation. I don't use primers, like really rarely I use primers. I probably moisturize my skin twice a day. Another thing is like drink your water. Like I'm really bad at this. It's not that I struggle to drink water, I do like water, but I just simply forget throughout the day, and I have to literally keep like water around me, like a water bottle, to remind me like drink your water. content because it does clear your skin. And you know, we all know we're like 70–80% made out of water, so it is very important to wash your makeup brushes. I am quite lazy with that. The most important brushes that I use would be like a bronzer brush, like the one that I use for blush, a highlighter. I don't use many brushes, but it is very important to clean them because you're gonna notice like you're gonna get like spots here. When I first started using makeup like regularly every day, I would always be like, oh my god, I'm getting like spots here. I don't understand why. It's because like when you use a lot of products and like you don't wash your brushes for ages, you're gonna start getting like breakouts here and like wherever you use your makeup. At least the brushes that you use daily, those are very important to wash regularly. I'm gonna show you guys how I remove my makeup. It's not much. Let's get on ready with me. And I'm just gonna do the same steps I told you what I normally do. I am actually meeting my friends after, so I'm kind of gutted that I have to remove my makeup now. I do want to show you guys how I do this, so you can see. Nothing special, like I said. So I'm gonna apply this on my little cotton pad. So I always start with my eyes. And I'm going to show you exactly why I go in with a toner. So I'm going in with the toner that I showed you earlier. Again, I'm just applying it on a little pan. So this is just going to get rid of any residue that you have left on your skin. And you thought you removed your makeup, but look at this. So it's still dirty, even though your skin looks already clear. So that's why I'm going to go in with the other side now and get rid of the last bits. After I cleared my skin, after I toned my skin, I'm gonna go in with a scrub. So this is something I do every 3 to 4 days. And you only need the tiniest amount of product when you use this. So literally a little bit. I could go in with like this much. So make sure to dampen your skin and then apply it all your face. And then I'm going in with just a moisturizer and moisturizing my skin. And this is it for my skincare routine, guys. Only a couple steps that I do, but I do make sure that I always do them, and I only use a couple products which are really affordable and they're gonna last you for quite a while, so you're not gonna end up spending much money. It definitely works for me, guys, and hopefully these steps and tips help you as well. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Ciao!